Have you ever noticed that your hot lattes taste great without sweetener, but in iced lattes you prefer some syrup? Assalamu alaikum everyone, peace be upon you and welcome back to my channel. As I mentioned in my milk steaming guide on YouTube, the naturally occurring sugar in milk is called lactose, and its molecules start breaking down when heated, achieving peak sweetness around 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Going too far past this temperature will break down the sugar even further and actually dilute the sweetness. After pouring latte art, I usually have a sip or two of steamed milk left over in the pitcher, and I always drink it. That's when I noticed the difference. Steamed milk tastes sweeter than cold milk. Not to mention, it has a creamier mouthfeel. So I started using steamed milk for my iced lattes. Since I'm not pouring any latte art, I don't care if the milk starts to get cold or if the foam starts to separate a little. So I steam the milk first before brewing the espresso. I use the same amount of milk I would use for a hot flat white, so around 4 ounces. I fill the glass with more ice than usual since the milk is hot and will inevitably melt some ice. Then I pour the steamed milk directly over the ice, and then add the espresso shot. Look at that texture. Remember, steamed milk has some microfoam, so you get a soft cold foam without the extra fat that's in heavy cream cold foam. And that's it. I know steaming milk takes more time than using cold milk, but steamed milk is sweeter and fluffier in volume, so I get a slightly bigger and sweeter drink without having to add extra milk or any syrup. So I'm technically saving money and resources. Try this out for yourself and let me know what you prefer. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're doing well, and I'll talk to you in the next one.